Hello guys, today I want to review a Casio codename TW8800. Here is an example for using the Morse code for hello help me by using the light, and you can change it by using the sound of the watch itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video, and thank you for watching.